Calm down there, tiger. Travis!
Wait, you come
I
here.
got a monkey on my
Hold on,
shoulder.
hold on, you coming here.
I got a monkey. Roadblock.
Just got a glimpse of what we're about to see and it looks really pretty.
I'm Stephanie, and this is Travis. Together we bought a Hunter 42 Passage that we call Jibsea. We sold almost everything that we owned and moved aboard. After living on Jibsea through a Toronto winter, we decided that we had to get down south. Though we've got very little sailing experience, we decided to leave it all behind in our home country Canada to live out our dream in sailing the world. We're so pumped to share this adventure of a lifetime. Welcome back, guys. This week we're scootering around Grenada from the southwest side of the island up to the northeast end and doing a whole lot of adventuring in some pretty cool spots. We had to pull over to get some directions. Ooh, not a bad spot to stop for directions. It's really pretty right here. Got a lot of colors going on. See that view over there? It's not a very far walk. You just have to pretty much walk, what, a couple hundred feet? It's like half and half.
I would swim in this. I wouldn't swim in that. Hey, Dad.
So after taking a detour we should not be taking by scooter, we're making our way to the Grand Etang National Park. The scooter does not like these rocks and path. I'll walk, you go down. We've just entered the entrance of the national park. Pretty scenic, a lot of greenery. Really nice cool breeze. Whoa. Calm down there, tiger. So the man in front of us here, he's a security guard here, but he also calls for the monkeys. And he's actually who I read about online. So his name is Jaman, and he is calling the monkeys for us.
Come now, everybody.
Must be about 5 monkeys, he said, that are around here. He just saw them, so he's determined to get them out, which is good for us because we definitely want to see them. So no monkeys yet. He's still calling. He told us to head down to the lake, Great Etang Lake, and he said, when you come back, the monkeys will be here. But he's still calling them, and he has a banana in his hand, so I'm so excited to see the monkeys. I want to like hold them.
I know, these look like super cute monkeys too.
And they're friendly enough. Wait.
Grand Etang Lake is one of 2 crater lakes in Grenada. It covers 36 acres in the crater of an extinct volcano at an elevation of 1,740 feet, or 530 meters.
These gazebos are gifts to the government of the people of Grenada from the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Grenada.
Try to mimic what the security guard was doing to call the monkeys. What? What? What?
Apparently he's found the monkeys, so we're heading back up. Woo! Well, they went further, eh? They're usually right at the entrance of the park, he said.
Nice.
Oh!
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see if he catches this one. Yeah! Well, that was flippin' amazing.
Yeah, that's so cool. Those monkeys are like tame and they'll like hang out with you, not trying to rip your face off.
Not like the ones in Thailand.
Yeah, the ones in Thailand I've seen, they just try to steal from you and you don't really want to get close. I feel like they'll want to rip your face off.
Well, that was such a cool experience.
Yeah, you like hiked all around.
Oh, yeah.
The monkeys.
He came down to tell us that he found them. He hiked down the lake. That was really nice of him. You had fun?
Ooh, that was sweet.
That was awesome.
Thanks for finding them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome. Thank you.
All right. Show you all your friends.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
I'm glad we saved that to the end. Like we did the waterfalls and then we came here because to end it off with the monkeys was great.
They're so cute.
Lots of no-see-em bites, but totally worth it.
We love the monkeys so much, we had to go back with our own monkey currency.
There you go.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
Hey, hey, hey! He's stealing them. Ow, they're claws. Travis! Hey.
All right. Hey.
I like this guy. He's curious. Right in front of that white truck we were, and the car just like spun out and smashed into the white truck right behind us.
Well, we came around the bend, and then on the straightaway, we saw two cars pass us, and they were clearly racing.
Oh yeah.
So once they went past us and went towards the turn,
They hit the brakes and slid out into the other car. That's
one car tried
crazy.
to dodge the white truck that was coming towards them and then spun out, I guess. It was like literally right after they passed us.
Yeah, like right after. They were flying.
Yeah. But you don't race, and you don't race on tiny little roads around a bend where you don't know what's around the corner.
Yeah. We got lucky.
Well, this is the first working traffic light we've seen. I've seen like 2 or 3 other ones in St. George, but they don't work. Roadblock. Road.
I don't want to kick it.
Move it.
Oh, wrong way, buddy. Go that way. Over here.
Oh, you kicked. Okay. We've been on the scooter for 2 hours. That was a dead end, and now we've got to go back to where that cow
was a
was.
dead end. Almost got kicked by a cow.
Now we've got to go back to where the cow is. It's going to kick us.
No, it won't.
He kicked us the first time.
Hi. Oh,
He's going to kick us. I don't want to be here. He's holding his ground. No, he's going to kick us.
that is straight up.
I don't think the scooter's going to make it. Going. Oh, hold on. Oh.
You gotta get off.
We made it this far. I think you gotta get off too for the last little bit. This is steeper than Saba.
Yeah.
Frick. Almost there, I think. I hope. Where the heck? This is not. What the heck? What, we gotta climb over the barbed wire?
No.
Where are we going? Here. Oh, they made it up easy. Just needed a car. It can get a little slippery here because there's a lot of mud. But it looks like they got a little safety rope going down the hill here.
Barely keep her legs up right now.
Yeah, because it was like such a bumpy ride on the scooter. And I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry myself.
Forgot snacks.
Yeah. Let's go check it out though. It looks pretty sweet. Just got a glimpse of what we're about to see and it looks really pretty.
Let me see. Go, go, go. Ooh. Wow.
Well, we made it to the other end of the island, and Welcome Stone is the place you want to check out here for an absolutely breathtaking panoramic view of the northeast coast. Those 3 islands out there are Sugarloaf Island, Green Island, and Sandy Island.
So I'm gonna walk down?
Yeah. Because we'll definitely, you and I on this thing, will overheat the brakes and then they just don't work.
Yeah.
I've learned from experience doing that.
All right. Well, maybe I'll go get a head start.
Terrifying!
We'll just test it first.
Oh, back brakes. There they are. Full.
Full back brakes?
That's it. That's back brakes.
Screams like a little girl. It's Sunday, so there's not... Oh gosh, why am I wearing this? Because then you get a sweat toupee. That's why. I'll take this off. Anyways. Today's Sunday, so there isn't much going on in town, at least in downtown Grenada. A lot of things are closed. Streets are pretty quiet, so it was an easier ride going through St. George to get into, I guess this would be kind of like the country. A lot going on though in terms of people just hanging out on the streets here, outside of their homes. A lot of church festivities going on that we've seen when we've driven by. And it seems like a lot of the people that sell fruit and vegetables, like produce stands, they're all still open on a Sunday, which is nice. You're rushing me? Kid tells me I gotta walk. And here I am, having a nice little vlog, and he's trying to rush me. The audacity, I tell you. I'm gonna walk extra slow now, bud.
Yeah, I'll let you walk all the way home.
I won't share any of the key lime pie I made this morning.
Get on the bike.
Shut your mouth. Give a kiss, give a kiss. Oh, now you want to kiss. Yeah, because he doesn't want to. He doesn't want trouble later. Hey! You really got some nerve there, Buster.
Get on the bike.
Hey! Head. I'm just gonna wait until you're ready to go. No, I want you to prove that you're actually ready for me to get on the back. I'm just gonna wait 10 seconds. Try star fruit.
What is that?
I think it's a star fruit.
That it's sweet?
Just enough room to pack it in here. I love these fruit stands. You promised me you'd get me a coconut.
It's not stealing, is it?
No, we're on the side of the road. Yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it.
People are so friendly here. We've been stopped on the side of the road just checking directions, or in this case, trying to get a coconut. And people will stop in their vehicles and just make sure and ask that we're okay, which I think is really nice and friendly, because we are kind of driving in the middle of nowhere sometimes, so it's nice. At least you got a helmet on.
Yeah.
Not that one. The one on your left.
I can't go on my left.
Oh my god. It's too big. Thank you.
Ow. It's not easy to get them.
Yeah, but that wasn't very high. And I just think you can do anything, you know.
Testing.
So we're just gonna keep it there? Alright.
Bought this fruit just because it cuts stars.
It's star fruit. I read that it tastes like kiwi, like it's sweet and a little tart, and it's good in salads. I don't like it. If you like sour stuff, it would be good. Does it sound like there's anything in it?
No.
We pick a bad one?
Well, I didn't exactly have a lot of time to just hang out in there. Check each one. There is coconut.
There is water in there?
Yeah.
So let me go get a cup with ice. More?
Yeah, it might be.
Oh yeah. Full glass right there.
Taste my hard work.
Tastes cheap.
Tastes cheap.
Just kidding.
Ooh, that's really sweet.
After all that scootering and adventuring, it's time to relax and enjoy the sunset. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. It's a free way to support us, and we hope to see you again next week.